Intro hook. If your credit score isn't where you want it to be right now, there is a very good chance you are making at least one of these 5 mistakes. And the worst part is most people don't even know they're doing it. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes that are silently destroying credit scores in 2026 and exactly how to fix every single one of them. Stay until the end because mistake number 5 is the one that catches almost everybody off guard. Section 1. Mistake number 1. Paying late. Mistake number 1 is paying late. This sounds obvious, but you would be shocked at how many people are losing serious points on their credit score simply because they forgot a due date. Here is why this matters so much. Payment history makes up 35% of your entire credit score. That is the single biggest factor. One late payment, just one, can drop your score anywhere from 60 to 110 points overnight. And that late payment stays on your credit report for 7 years. 7 years of damage from one missed payment. The fix is simple. Set up autopay for every single account you have today. Even if you just set it up for the minimum payment, that is enough to keep your payment history clean. Never miss another payment again. Section 2, mistake number 2, high credit utilization. Mistake number 2 is carrying a high credit card balance. This is called credit utilization, and it makes up 30% of your credit score. Here is how it works. If your credit card limit is $1,000 and your balance is $700, your utilization is 70%. That is destroying your score. The rule most people know is to stay below 30%. But in 2026, the people with the highest credit scores are keeping their utilization below 10%. That means if your limit is $1,000, your balance should never go above $100. The fix: pay down your balances as fast as possible and never charge more than 10% of your limit. If you can pay your balance in full every month, that is even better. Section 3, mistake number 3, closing old credit cards. Mistake number 3 is closing old credit cards, and this one surprises people every single time. Most people think closing a credit card they don't use anymore is responsible. It actually hurts your score in 2 ways. First, it reduces your total available credit, which increases your utilization percentage. Second, it can shorten your credit history, which is 15% of your score. The older your accounts, the better. That credit card you've had for 8 years that you never use anymore is actually helping you. Leave it open. Use it once every few months for a small purchase and pay it off immediately. That keeps the account active and keeps your credit history long and strong. Section 4. Mistake number 4. Applying for too much credit. Mistake number 4 is applying for too many credit cards or loans at the same time. Every time you apply for credit, the lender does what's called a hard inquiry on your credit report. One hard inquiry typically drops your score by about 5 points. That doesn't sound like much, but if you apply for 3 credit cards in 1 month, that's 15 points gone immediately. And lenders see multiple applications in a short period as a red flag. It signals that you might be desperate for credit or in financial trouble. The fix is to be very strategic about when you apply for new credit. Space out your applications by at least 3 to 6 months and only apply for credit you actually need and are likely to get approved for. Section 5. Mistake number 5. Not monitoring your credit. Mistake number 5 is the one that catches almost everyone off guard. Not monitoring your credit report. Studies show that 1 in 5 Americans has an error on their credit report. 1 in 5. That means there is a 20% chance that something on your credit report right now is wrong, and it is pulling your score down for no reason. Accounts that don't belong to you. Balances reported incorrectly. Late payments that were actually paid on time. Collection accounts that should have been removed. These errors sit there silently damaging your score until you catch them and dispute them. The fix: check your credit report every single month. You can do this for free on Credit Karma. If you see anything wrong, dispute it immediately. This one habit alone has helped people gain 50 to 100 points just by cleaning up errors. Outro. Call to action. Subscribe to the Credit Blueprint for a new video every single week. Share this video with someone who needs it, and I will see you in the next one.